In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a project in Milanote from scratch, which is perfect for planning ideas, organizing tasks, or collaborating with a team. Let's begin. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the home page on your dashboard because this is where all your boards and projects live. Now, if we are going to create a new project from scratch, all we have to do is go to the left side panel of the dashboard and click the board. Now, if you click on it, what will happen is, as you can see, when you drag it, there is a small icon that says new board, and select on it and drop it in the interface. From here, let's say we are going to rename it as Answer ASAP project. Okay? I want you to press enter. So you will be forwarded to the main interface itself. Now, to save time, what I want you to do is go to the bottom right corner where you can choose a template. So we're not going to choose an empty board, but what we are going to choose instead is click the more templates. Now, since we are a YouTube channel, we are going to choose a YouTube production for a video plan, maybe a video research or brainstorming. So it's up to you, but I'm just giving you an example. So YouTube content plan it is. Click the continue button and use this template. Now, as you can see, there is a box here, and if you want to keep the example content, you can do so. So we're going to use this template. Click the orange button. It may take a little while depending on the complexity. And once you've done that, you can structure your board with columns. For example, this goes here. Or if you want to add your own logo or brand or identity, you can do so. Click the upload your own, which I am going to do right now. Now, this is our logo. I'm going to click on it so you guys can see it. Now, each card here represents a piece of your project. For example, the About section of our YouTube channel, making it easy to manage everything in one place. All right, and basically that's it for today's video on how to create a project in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.